Omeprazole is one of the most commonly prescribed medications for acid-related stomach issues. But how does it actually work? Let's take a look inside your stomach. Your stomach produces acid to help digest food. This acid is made by special cells that release it using tiny pumps, called proton pumps. These pumps push acid into the stomach lining. Normally, stomach acid is helpful, but in conditions like acid reflux, heartburn, ulcers, or GERD, your body makes too much acid, or the acid goes where it shouldn't, like up your esophagus. That's where omeprazole comes in. Omeprazole belongs to a group of drugs called proton pump inhibitors, or PPIs. It works by blocking those acid-producing pumps in the stomach lining. When you take omeprazole, it travels through your digestive system, gets absorbed, and then shuts down the proton pumps, reducing how much acid your stomach can make. Less acid equals less irritation, less burning, and faster healing. It doesn't work instantly. Usually takes a few hours to start and a few days for full effect. That's why it's often taken as a daily medication for chronic acid problems. Omeprazole is usually well tolerated, but long-term use can affect nutrient absorption or increase risk of infections. So it's best used under medical guidance. In short, omeprazole calms your stomach by turning down the acid at its source, the proton pump. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more medical animations.